Everyone keeps contacting me and saying, Dave, why aren't you doing Vlogmas? Well, here's a little Vlogmas video for you. I'm starting recording it with the DJI Osmo Pocket. I literally unboxed this and gave you my first impressions about 5 to 10 minutes ago on the channel, and within 5 minutes of unboxing and finishing the video, I've actually done the firmware update and I'm recording with this tiny little camera, and my first impressions are that it is absolutely fantastic. Hey Milo, what do you think of the DJI Osmo Pocket? Really? That good? You're impressed, are you? I'd have never have guessed. Yes, the Christmas tree is up, and I thought I'd give you a little look at it to get us all in the Christmas spirit. So, what do you guys think? Not too bad. I really enjoyed decorating this. I love this time of year, and really can't wait to get together with all the family and just have a lot of fun, games and great food. So let's try out the stabilization on the DJI Osmo Pocket. I'm very impressed with what I'm seeing on the little tiny screen. And yes, the screen is small, but at least it gives you some indication of what you're capturing, and it's more than usable. So I decided to do this initial test with the DJI Osmo Pocket, not having the phone connected at all to it, because this is the sort of use case scenario I'm going to be using it for, and I think it works extremely well. But there's sort of minimal tracking available in the 4K 60 frames per second mode, although it still is locked onto my face for most of the time. So I wanted to just walk along here, well actually do a little slow jog, just to show you what the footage looks like and whether or not this is going to smooth it out. And I'm not being particularly careful at all. And then with one swipe up on the screen, I can actually turn the camera around so that it's actually facing me, and I think it looks pretty good. It's doing a really good job of smoothing out me running along. So now we're trying a little bit of FPV mode, and this means that the camera actually tilts on some of the axis, just to give you a little bit of a different style of footage. And that FPV type footage looks a little bit different. It still keeps me in frame. I'm noticing that the exposure shifts quite a lot, and sometimes quite erratically as well, which is quite strange. If you look at how it's exposing me against the sky is actually a nice blue, but as the sun dips in and out on the left hand side of my face, it really does struggle with exposing the sky correctly. Wow, shooting into the sun though looks absolutely amazing. I love how it's handling this. Very cool indeed. So I'm heading back to the car now. I've got to pick up something from a DIY shop to do some famous DIY that I really dislike doing. And just to let you know, the sun is currently behind me, so it's sort of exposing my face a little bit darker. I didn't expect it to be quite so cold out there. It is freezing. Let's start this car up and see what temperature it's saying it is outside. It is actually saying that it is 6.5 degrees. It feels a lot colder than that. Let's go and get this little multi-tool from the DIY store. So I'm looking for a rotary multi-tool, which has got to be around here somewhere. For a little DIY project that I'm doing. Well, I am back and it's quite dark now, so you can see the tree lights a little bit better. And I managed to get what I wanted. But hold on, let's put the light on. And there we go, this is what I was after. It's a multi-tool, so like a rotary tool with a flex shaft. And this one has got 109 accessories included and was half the price of the one with 42 accessories included. If you know me well, you'll know I don't like DIY a great deal, but that rotary tool will make the job a little bit easier. So that's it for this video. I hope you've got a good idea of how the DJI Osmo Pocket performs. If I don't talk to you again in another vlog before Christmas, then obviously you can watch the regular live broadcasts on the channel. But I want to just take this opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas.